how to change from business to personal account in PayPal. So if you want to change from business to personal account in your PayPal, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser and then search for PayPal. And you need to just simply go with www.paypal.com and make sure that you've entered the correct credentials and log into your account. After logging into your account, you need to just scroll down and then go with Contact Us section. For the next page on the Help Center section, you need to click on Message Center option. You can just simply scroll down a bit and then you will have an option of Message Us. You need to click on it. Or you will also have an option of New Message. You need to click on New Message option to create a new query message. Once you do that, you need to click on Account Profile and Setup, which will be under your common issues right here. Once you click on Account Profile and Setup, you need to click on upgrading or downgrading your account option. Lastly, write your detailed request in the message box and then click Send Email. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to change from business to personal account on your PayPal. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.